Students, today we'll start with Geography Chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Now in this chapter also we will refer the two countries which we were talking about previously, Brazil and India. Now here, before starting, there is a figure given 5.1 in which flora and fauna are being shown of Brazil. See, you can see plants which are in deserts, then here some fruits and berries, then here you can see green trees, birds, animals and reptiles. So these are generally found in Brazil. These are the flora and fauna of Brazil. Now if you notice, these look similar to that of the animals and the plants which are found in India, right? Now this could be because India and Brazil face the same type of climatic conditions. Maybe this is the reason why there is a resemblance in the flora and fauna of India and Brazil. Let us see. Now you all must be knowing, whenever we talk about vegetation of any country, so first we see what is the physiography and the climate which that particular country has, because of these two reasons only the vegetation and the wildlife, they vary from region to region. Now in this figure 5.2 you can see the physiography, vegetation and wildlife of Brazil. See, here you can see the altitude, various types of the altitude which is given in meters over here, and this is a high land. You can see the altitude is very high. So here you can see various types of apes are found. Then close to the ground you can see reptiles, arboreal and aquatic animals. Arboreal, those which can fly. Then here if we come to the not so high elevated land, you can see the grassland animals. Then here we have the reptiles and the grassland animals between this height. Now here you can see, here you will find the tropical forest in this region. See, understand this figure properly. This is the northern part of Brazil. Then it is showing the variations which are found in the different parts till the southern region. So this is the southern part. You can see the location is also given. In the northern the location is given, and here you can see the coastal plains are there, and these are the different features, physical features which are of Brazil, which we have studied earlier. These are the Guiana Highlands. You can find these over here. Then Amazon Basin. You can see the temperature and the forest also which are available in this region. So you have to understand this properly. Okay, it is very simple. This is the northern part. This is the Guiana Highlands, from this range to this range. Then from here it is the Amazon Basin, from here it is the Parana, then from here it is the Brazil Highlands. So if you see, the elevations of land also different in different regions. Here there are high elevations, in the south you will find the escarpment. Okay, we have done this. So like this you can see in one particular region there are different variations in the altitude and the forests which are found. We come to the vegetation found in Brazil. Vegetation, we are referring to the plant life which is found over there. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to the physiography. You can see the rainfall, it is differing according to the physiography. जैसा जैसा लैंड का हाइट चेंज हो रहा है, फिजियोग्राफी चेंज हो रहा है, वैसे वैसे ही जो रेनफॉल है वो भी चेंज हो रहा है. So it rains throughout the year. As one moves from the equator, the number of rainy days as well as the amount of rainfall reduces. जैसे जैसे हम इक्वेटर के नज़दीक जाएंगे, rainfall and the rainy days will reduce. Now as the rainfall reduces, of course it will affect the vegetation also. तो रेनफॉल कम होती जाएगी तो ऑफकोर्स जो भी वेजिटेशन है प्लांट्स है वो भी उस पर भी इफेक्ट पड़ेगा ही. देन एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन द एरियाज वेयर इट रेन्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर. That is why it is known as evergreen, because they get rain throughout the year, so they are green all the time. Now in regions which receive rainfall during certain seasons, तो कुछ सीजन के लिए ही जहाँ पे बारिश मिलेगी तो वेजिटेशन कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि पानी नहीं है. Then instead of forest, various types of grasses, short shrubs, thorny vegetation etc. are found in this region where the rainfall reduces or it is only observed in certain seasons. Then Brazil has largest number of vegetation species in the world. मतलब प्लांट लाइफ की बहुत सारी स्पीशीज ब्राज़ील में पाई जाती है. दिस इंक्लूड एवरग्रीन वेजिटेशन, सेमी एवरग्रीन, एरिड एक्सेट्रा. एरिड डेजर्ट टाइप जहाँ पे पानी कम होता है तो ऐसे में हम लोग उसे एरिड वेजिटेशन बोलते हैं. Then one finds trees like Pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood and a variety of orchids. I'll share the pictures of these plants during the lecture. Now you all know whenever there are a lot of trees, that means that place is giving a lot or it is getting a lot of oxygen. So now because of the evergreen forest in Brazil, there is a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. So what happens because of this? The level of carbon dioxide is reduced. Therefore these rainforests are also called the lungs of the world. Okay, it is reflecting the whole world. क्योंकि यहाँ पे इतने सारे ट्रीज है एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में और ये हमेशा रहते ही हैं because they are evergreen. So for the whole year they are evergreen. So they act as lungs of the world because they absorb a lot of carbon dioxide.